it's me Tamil. Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are gonna talk about a product, and I'm gonna review about a product that is Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I know it's not a new launch, it's been 2 years since the product was launched, but I still wanna do it. I'm the last person who is doing the review of this foundation, but why not let me do this. Maybelline Super Stay Foundation retails for ₹750 for 30 ml of product, which is affordable, and there are totally 28 shades available in this range, but unfortunately there is only 9 shades available in India, and I am in the shade 334 Warm Sun, which is the last darkest shade available in India. Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle with a pump, which is a great thing because you will have the control over the product. In my calculation, one pump of this product covers one layer for my full face, and there are a couple of claims at the back. I'm gonna quickly read it. It is a full coverage foundation, 24-hour wear, oil control, shine free, breathable and comfortable, sweat and sebum resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores, fade and transfer resistant. This is all the things which they claim. Starting off with the texture of this foundation, this is neither too runny nor too thick, which is in a perfect texture, which is easy to blend. Now I'm going to show you a couple of tools and ways to blend so that you guys will know what finish to expect in which kind of tools and ways. Now I'm going to apply the right side of my face with a blender and the left side of my face with a brush. Hope you guys can see the difference between the side of the sponge and the brush. The sponge side looks so natural, whereas the brush side gives a full coverage. If you want sheer coverage, sponge is perfect, and if you want full coverage, brush is the way to go. When I tried the transfer test, I just pressed down with a tissue and there was almost no transfer. And of course we have to see whether this is water resistant also. So I just sprayed some water onto my face. And I pressed a tissue on my face. And I could see a little bit of transfer, not that much. This is not completely waterproof or water resistant, and this foundation lasts for a very long time, and if you're someone who has a really long working hours, then you must really appreciate this product because it will stay on your face for a long time without budging. This foundation is a super matte foundation. It gives you a super matte finish so that you need not have to set this with a powder. You know, sometimes in such products it becomes really difficult to blend because it's one set is set. And this would set really quick. I would highly recommend you to do a smaller section of your face instead of applying it all over your face and trying to blend it later, which becomes so patchy. As this is such a mattifying foundation, you must really hydrate your skin before applying this foundation, and especially if you are on a dry skin side like me. Oily skin people will love this foundation because it gives you a mattified effect, and they claims that it controls your oil as well. This foundation will not give you a flashback, and the only thing in this foundation is it just oxidizes a bit, and that is not a big con for me because anyways I'm going to layer it with a concealer, with a powder, blush, contour, something else which balances the oxidization. Something I wouldn't recommend in this foundation is layering the foundation because it becomes cakey and patchy if you layer it again and again. I would suggest you just 2 layers of this foundation is more than enough. Now let's just quickly sum up all the pros and cons of this foundation. The first pro is it's high on coverage. It gives you a very good coverage. And the second thing is packaging. It comes with a pump, which is a good thing. The third thing is it is easily available in India. You can either buy it online or offline stores. Fourth pro is we get a nice amount of product for the amount we pay. Fifth pro is it's a super matte foundation, and the sixth pro is it lasts for a very long time. It stays on your face without budging or smudging. Coming to the cons, the first con is shade range. There are very limited shade range available in India, and if you're someone who is darker than me, then you don't have any shade in this foundation range. And the second con is it can get cakey if you layer it. This is something optional because if you layer it, it will get cakey. And the third con, which is not a con for me, but it's a common con, it just oxidizes a bit. In my final verdict, I would highly recommend this product to someone who is looking for a high coverage foundation at a very affordable price. You can always get discounts online, so if you are someone who wants to buy this product, you can buy it online instead of buying it in offline stores. That was my review and hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment and subscribe as well. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Ta-da.